How to restrict someone on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messenger application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. Also check for the updates available for the application. Then in order to restrict someone on Messenger, what you have to simply do is make a long press on the account that you want to restrict. So make a long press on the account and then tap on the restrict option over here at the very bottom. As you tap on that, the account will be disappearing from the chat feed. So what we're going to do is, in order to unrestrict this person, you can just go to the three lines and then tap on the settings icon and then scroll down and then tap on privacy and safety. After that, scroll down and tap on the restricted accounts over here, and as you tap on that, you'll be able to see the restricted account. So tap on that profile again and then tap on continue, and then you'll be given this option of unrestrict. So just tap on unrestrict and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.